The tragic collapse of Champlain Tower South on June 24th gave us a heightened appreciation for the importance of having sufficient reserves to perform required maintenance, repair, and replacement projects on time. This places a higher burden on managers and boards to make wise decisions about effective reserve funding and spending. If the funds aren't there, the projects can't get done in a timely manner. In our webinar, Roadmap for Managers, we're going to give you a roadmap to follow. This will help you manage the higher expectations that are on your shoulders to prevent such expensive and potentially unsafe deferred maintenance. The present is less stressful and the future is more secure when you have a roadmap to follow. We're committed to help you move successfully towards an improved future at your association. Well, while 2020 surprised us with the upheaval over COVID-19, our industry has taken yet another turn here in 2021. The tragic collapse of Champlain Tower South on July 24 got our attention because it was so deadly and so unexpected. What this means is now our concerns for deferred maintenance have expanded beyond projects that cause catch-up special assessments or even unsightly things that can drop property values. Now we need to consider that deferred maintenance can also be a safety issue. It can be dangerous. And that's why following a roadmap to the future is even more important, something that guides us forward so our present is less stressful and our future is more secure. What we found out this year is that it took us a quick 2 steps forward through time from an environment where reserves are understood to be a good idea, a nice thing for associations to have when they have some extra money. And we skipped right through reserves being important, understanding their connection to avoiding unfair and unsettling special assessments. And these times have brought us right to reserves being critical to the future of the association, where it sustains the property and keeps all the owners and residents safe. Our strategy for today, to help you make better daily and weekly reserve decisions and to set you up for success in 2022, is to start out with a big picture perspective. And we do this to give you the tools so you can execute a successful strategy for your association. At Association Reserves, we make the present less stressful and the future more secure. If you want to join us in this mission, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and what you would like to see us address in a future video. Let's plan for your best future.